this is a very unique program, and the students are able to get hands-on experience with horticulture professionals, and there's nothing like this in the area. We are very fortunate to have students that all come from different backgrounds, and they all have very different interests going forward from this program. So we've been able to dive into their individual interests. We get to see behind the scenes workings of the botanical gardens. We're here 2 hours before the gardens is even open to the public, and that allows us that hands-on, one-on-one time with all the staff.
I'd say the best part about this program is all the hands-on experience you get and being able to come to the botanical gardens every day to work and learn. This program has helped me reach my education goals by helping me learn more about what I'm most interested in.
I chose this program to broaden my career horizon and increase my knowledge, giving me a jump start in my career. The best part about this program is getting to talk with the employees and volunteers, also doing hands-on work and doing maintenance around the greenhouses.
The best part of this program is how hands-on it is and having experience actually working with plants. This program is helping me get a foot in the door into the environmental science field and is basically acting as an internship.